What's up, guys? Today we're going to install the heated kit for the Pro XP. It's a universal kit. So yeah, there's a couple brands out there. No, Tusk sells them. SuperATV. I'm sure there's some others out there. I'm sure there's some Amazon cheapos. Ended up going with the SuperATV ones just because they had the smaller rocker switches. I know I could change them out, but I don't feel like doing that. I got a couple weeks till we go ride, and I really want to get this done. It's getting cold out there, so yeah. First thing we're going to have to do, there's two bolts. Well, that one's pretty loose already, and that one has none. That's awesome. And this is probably the driver's seat. SuperATV did an amazing job in not sending instructions, so here we are going to figure this out together. Itself, I got to get another one to put back in there. I do know we will be, I think we'll be drilling these rivets out. I don't know. Like I said, SuperATV did not send me a thing to do. This one's kind of hidden, guys. Yeah, it looks like a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to drill these rivets out here, here, and here that hold the seat in. I think I'm going to do this part outside so I don't get metal shavings all over the wife's floor. I'll be right back. All right. All right, so now that we got our cover off, a little difficult there, not gonna lie, a little challenging, but we got it. Just take your time, you don't want to mess it up. And these are our heating pads. And looks like it's going to sit in there just like so. All the wires do come out at the same side. Alright, so reinstallation. I'm going to put the bottom in first, and then you'll do the top portion. This here is going to be the driver's seat as they're going into the center console. So these are the ones that fan out like a prong. Trying to keep quiet because the kid's asleep. And I lied to you earlier. There's a total of 7 you gotta drill out. 3 for the top, 4 for the bottom. Alright, so here we are. We've got the seats, all wired. It's day number 2. Move up my light bars. Non-off-roading light bars. Alright, so as you can see, they're setting. All harnesses facing center console. Off camera, I went ahead and added another zip tie on there, just for extra measure. And now, we're going to head outside and install the wiring harness portion for it. But before we get there, I'm going to show you my little added on thing that I did as well. We added some terminal jumpers. I wish someone could tell me why these machines make this humming noise. So those just snap on there. Funny thing is, I installed it, then immediately had to use it. So that's why there was no video on it. But what I will say, be very careful when installing it so you don't drill into that stuff. What I actually did is I came from this side, I put it up here, put a hole, marked a hole there. I was originally going to have the top of it here. I'll show you on the other side. I was originally going to have the top of it here, so it's going to be moved down, so it'd be down to here. But I was like, the higher the better, I reckon. So that was another buy for this project, because I'm hoping to God this is the last time I have to deal with my batteries. This here just makes it easier to jump people off on the trail, so I'm gonna keep that off because I'll probably need to jump it again because it's been sitting for a couple weeks. So it makes it easier to jump anyone off that you may run across on the trails, or to jump myself off, on top of me still having the tender plugins as well. So for the install of the wiring job for these seats, I think I'm going to connect to my main battery. Cheers. All right, guys. Well, maybe you learned something. Maybe you didn't. I have. It is now not winter anymore, but I ran the seats all winter, all fall, a little bit of spring. We had some snow in the spring or late winter, whatever you want to call it. And man, those heated seats have worked great for me. So yeah, it is very tedious and time consuming, especially trying to get those covers off. But man, it is worth its weight in gold, man. It is probably one of the best things I have done to that machine. I just wish they had a cooled seat option now. Well, Polaris does on their factory machines. But, yeah, it'd be a real pain in the butt trying to put an air-cooled system into that. But, anywho, like, subscribe, and stay trashy and feral.